No, sir. Nothing, sir.
As you were, Mr. Smith.
Pemberton, Smythe, Wicks take post. Nurse Redfern.
I'll give you back your journal when next I see you.
No, you don't have to.
If you'll excuse me, Mr. Smith, I was just thinking about the day my husband was shot.
His name was Oliver. He died at the Battle of Spy-on-Cop. We were childhood sweethearts. But you see, I was angry with the army for such a long time.
Used to know.
I found myself as part of that school, watching boys learn how to kill.
Don't you think discipline is good for them?
Does it have to be such military discipline? I mean, if there's another war, those boys won't find it so amusing.
Well, Great Britain's at peace, long may it rain.
In your journal, in one of your stories, you wrote about next year, 1914.
It was just a dream.
All those images of mud and wire. You told of a shadow falling across the entire world.
Well, they're making me thankful it's not true. And I'll admit, mankind doesn't need warfare and bloodshed to improve itself. Everyday life can provide honour and valour, and let's hope that from now on this country can find its heroes in smaller places. In the most ordinary of deeds.